Hey guys, what's going on? So, we got a little bit of an update. Cab, 2000.1. Now this is wrong, and hopefully this is wrong, but we will see. They just shouldn't be in this. So, this is what's going to power the FIBTL, and hopefully it does a good job. So, there's nothing else in here. I figured I would do a unboxing video. I can't remember how these go. Alright. So this is the Cab Car Audio Bargains 2000.1 in black. So you get a nice little Car Audio Bargains decal. Find somewhere to put that. Cab 2000.1 manual. Go ahead and open this up. I don't know all the specs. I know this amp puts out anywhere from 1800 to 2000 RMS on dyno. I've heard some dyno sheets are rigged to make it look less powerful, and some are rigged to make it look more powerful. I don't know the actual head unit power. Now, the reason I went with the 2000 is because I do want to strap them together to give me 4000. That'll give me a good range of power. And they're supposed to be really well components. So, RMS at 2 ohm, length is 4000. So if I have two of these strapped at 2 ohm, I'm at 4000. 1 ohm is 2000, 2 ohm is 2 ohm is 1000, and 4 ohm is 500. 30 to 250 hertz, 10 hertz to 50 hertz for subsonic, 0 to 12 dB, 0 to 180 degree phase. Frequency response is 10 hertz to 250 hertz, 9 to 0.2 volt. Input sensitivity greater than 100 dB on the input noise ratio. THD 4 ohm 86%, and external 200 amp is recommended. That's alright. We'll be using a 250 pretty much through the whole system, and it shows how to hook up the regular and the slave. When I get the second amp, I will show you how to do that. But first I have to find a second sub, or unfortunately break down and buy one, which I really don't want to do. So let's put the box over there. It's a nice heavy amp, I can tell that. So go ahead and leave the styrofoam. Oh, we did get a bass knob. From what I read online, I didn't think I was going to get a bass knob, but that's cool. Oh no. It's not in screws. And here she is, in all her glory. Wow. It's a pretty hefty amp for 2K. I know my Audio Q 2200s weren't that heavy. Of course, they were the original series before SoundCube bought, well, AudioCube become SoundCube from some kind of ownership dilemma or something, I can't remember. So, this is a pretty popular board on the inside. It's in a lot of different amps. So it's pretty straightforward. Casing's just a little bit different. So, let me bring y'all over here. So we have line output, line input, subwoofer level, phase control, bass boost, subsonic, low pass filter, remote bass knob, bridge mode, master slave, and a single out for the master slave, and then the power and protect mode. Then we come over here. I do really like the black. I'm glad I went black with these. With the red logo, they'll look a lot better. So we have channel, well, it's a monoblock amp, but it's got the negative, positive for the two inputs. Then we have 12 volt plus, remote, and ground. Nice beefy terminals. So the Sky High zero gauge should fit just fine. I'm really happy with this amp. I did miss the sale, unfortunately, so I didn't get the free zero gauge with it. But I can't complain. Still a good deal. I also missed the price of these on pre-order. But that's it, guys. That's pretty much all you get in it. You get a manual, a bass knob, and an amp. So thanks for watching, guys.